Our smartphones tend to pack in more power and features than our computers did till a few years back, but increased features are bound to bring additional complexities with them. So while many of us might have got used to wading through a large number of similar-looking icons on the phone screen or choosing the best option from confusing data plans, you must have come across some phone users who complain about how annoying all this can get. Whether it is a senior family member interested in a hassle-free system or someone just looking for a less cluttered interface, there is enough demand for phones that are simpler but do not compromise on important features. And the GreatCall Jitterbug smart, easy-to-use smartphone for seniors fulfills that demand quite effectively.
Here we go!
One of the most obvious changes incorporated into the Android-based Jitterbug Smart is the menu on its 5.5-inch large touchscreen. Instead of a confusing spread of icons, this simple menu is organized in a simple list with large icons, making it easy to navigate for anyone. But this is just one of the many thoughtful additions that make it particularly well suited for use by senior members of your family, letting them enjoy the phone without being dependent on anyone else. The Jitterbug Smart features new voice typing that makes writing texts and emails effortless. The phone has been made hearing aid compatible, which is not seen in standard phones. The 100% US-based customer service and tech support ensures that any complaints or concerns are addressed better and quicker, and the presence of health and safety apps like 5-Star provides access to 24/7 emergency services at the click of a button. The unlimited plan option simplifies things even further for users. For one small flat monthly fee, users can talk, send texts, access social sites, listen to music off the internet, and do a lot more, as much as they want, without any hidden additional charges. This also comes in handy while using the easy-to-share features of the 5-megapixel camera, which makes sending pictures and videos to friends and family very simple. These extra features do not mean that the makers of the phone have cut down on any of the standard ones. The processor is as robust as any regular smartphone, which can be expanded to 32GB, is as good as you need for your data, and the powerful lithium-ion battery ensures long service on a single charge. Add to this the phone's affordability, and we won't be surprised if this device eats into the customer base of regular smartphones too. It has scored a very respectable average of 3.5 on 5 from over 450 users, with its ease of use not only benefiting senior users, especially with certain health conditions, but even particularly tech-challenged family members. That's about all for now from us on the GreatCall Jitterbug Smart, easy-to-use smartphone. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Were you looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of smartphones here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.